Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You saw me unpacking this box of Vise. So I got an interesting Vise in the shop. It's the very rare Superswivel Vise. We are going to put it together and on the way see how it works. So obviously you have the Vise and you have the base and some parts there. So let's start with the base. We have this cast iron bell-shaped base with a precision machined inner ring here and some cutouts for this one. This is the lever and this is an eccentric rod there. So when you turn it, this portion, these are the bearings, and this portion moves up and down when you turn it. So the first ball goes onto the handle like so. And then we have a second part. This part goes here, and when you turn it, this rises up and down. And the third part or fourth part for the base is this massive cast machine ball here. Very nice, very well made, very round. So this part goes into the base like so, and then this part sits on top and it glides really effortlessly. It's a good match. So we put this here and then we take the handle and put it through everything like so. It's not that easy, but let's see if we can. Come on. Okay, so let's put this. Okay, we have this groove here for the Z screw, so once this is flush, alright, so let's put this in here. Oh, it's moving alright. Okay, so let's turn it around. Now you can see the ball here. Let me zoom in. Move that out of the way here. So when the handle is down, this moves, and when you push the handle up, the ball gets pressed into this machine part of the bell, and it's tight. No, tight is really tight. So let's look at this from the bottom side. You can see when I turn this, this moves up and down and pushes the ball up and down. Alright, maybe let's see if we can zoom in, and it's hard to see, but that's how it works. Alright, this is the base. So the Vise itself is kind of like a York or Wilton bullet Vise. You have the nut, straight pull nut, which is pinned from the back in there, and of course the body, the dynamic jaw. Let me zoom out again. The dynamic jaw with the lead screw in there, and there's a key So this is keyed, inversely keyed compared to a Wilton, for example. So the key is inside the base, the static body. So. And unlike other vises, this has a machine vise handle, so you can remove it so it's not in the way. And this is, of course, makes opening and closing the vise quite easy. Alright, so to mount this on the base, it's best done before the ball is in, but for the video I did it like so. You did see that the ball is hollow, and if you see this, so this goes on the body like so, and then you just drop in this machine bolt and screw it in, I hope. I knew it. Should have done it before putting everything together, so let me get this off again. Let's try this like. Put this back on. Alright, so almost complete. Then we have the rear jaw, which is a swivel jaw. So, like you see, you can swivel that around, and it sits on the vise, just bolt on with this handle here, which is it's one of these adjustable handles. Alright, so you can move it and then just tighten the handle, and it's tight in any position. But you also get this pin to fix it in the center position. And this pin comes with a chain, so it doesn't get lost. So, vise is complete, and you can just push this down, and once you push it down you can really adjust this vise any position you like. And this is not light, the whole thing weighs around 29 kilograms, but it really moves effortlessly in here. Really, I don't need much. I See, I can do it with 2 fingers. So this is really smooth, and then you just put the handle back up and it's tight. So this is the so-called super swivel. Nobody knows who made it. They are very rare. When they pop up, they're usually gone quickly, so it's very hard to get them. And this one is not even mine. I just bought it to show you guys this Vise. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time.